Hi, I'm Mary Johara E. Celestino. You just call me Johara. I'm 18 years old. My religion is Iglesia ni Cristo. You can connect with me at Celestino Mary Johara at yahoo.com via email. I graduated elementary at Jacinto Ponce Elementary School in the year 2004. Then at Mariano Ponce High School last 2008. As of now, I'm sophomore student in Our Lady of Manaoag Montessori College. I have some skills in computer literature, especially in Microsoft Office, database, networking, installing, and movie making. You can call Mr. Limon Feliciano, instructor of Our Lady of Manaoag Montessori College, in the number of 0905-611-3905, or Mrs. Jeremy Joy Santiago, instructress of Our Lady of Manaoag Montessori College, in the number of 0906-4432-589 to more about with me. If you are interested with me, just call or text me at 0905-1747-770. Thank you. Bye.